Wow! Oh my God, guys! Yay! Oh my gosh! Grabe! Galing! Comedy on stage, but they're singing it with their hearts and genuinely at super... What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, Tree John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we're back to another reaction video for the clones of the Philippines for Matt Monroe, which is Ruel Carino. Elvis Presley is Jerome Evardome, and of course, the Gary V of the Philippines, Lucky Robles. Yes, they have this performance of Unchained Melody. Oh my God, exciting to us. A very classic Unchained Melody. And thank you so much for so nag-request nito kasi nag-react tayo sa performance nila ng My Way at ngayon naman may nag-request sa atin to check the Unchained Melody performance. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Sobrang saya na performance nila yung first time natin react yung tatlo sila. Wow! Oh my God, they're so goofy as well. Yung first time din na nareact natin tatlo sila sa My Way. Grabe, they're playing around but they're being professional and giving entertainment. Wow! Oh my God, he's so good with that. Nagturo. Oh! Oh my God, guys! Gary V singing Unchained Melody. Grabe dito si Lucky Robles. Akala ko nga Lucky Manzano eh. Charit. Ang galing niya din and he's a comedian at the same time. Nagsayaw na yung dalawa. Oh my God, Lucky Robles. Galing. Sabay pasok ang Matt Monroe. Oh my God, grabe. Ang gagaling nila. From Jerome to Lucky and Ruel, sobrang galing. Nakakatuwa. Wow! Ito, tignan natin yung harmony nila. Ang kulit ni Jerome. Wow! Alam mo guys, yung parang pagod na kasi sila siguro. I think this is like the last part of the show, right, guys? You can comment down below. Kaya they wanted to like get the energy to play around and also the entertainment value at the same time. They're singing it so well. Hey, tingnan natin tong part na to. Wow, galing ni Ruel. Oh, ma-harmony. Oh, sinuportahan siya dun ni Jerome ng very light. Ay. Ba't Para nagbago yung boses ni Jerome doon. Is it like, ano na, natural voice ni Jerome? Oh my God! Ruel nailing that part. And of course, parang nag-natural vocal si Jerome dito. Ang cute! Galing, Ruel! Hey, the harmony. Yay! Oh my gosh! Grabe! Galing! There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino, Jerome Ebardome, and Lucky Robles singing Unchained Melody. What a performance, guys. Grabe, you can see them like goofy, like they're giving like comedy on stage, but they're singing it with their hearts and genuinely at super, they're nailing it. Grabe yung last part, especially Ruel Carino. And grabe yung dulo, guys. Naabot niya yun ng bonggang-bongga. Like, I feel like they did their natural vocal as well, which is good to give their identity as well, no? Tulad nga sinabi ko dun sa reaction ko kay Ruel the other time sa OPM, na I wish that these amazing singers as well will record their own music with their own vocal to have their own identity as music artists as well, not only clones of Elvis Presley, Matt Monroe, or Gary Vee, kasi they deserve it because they're so talented. Agree ba kayo dun, guys? You can comment down below kung agree kayo na magkaroon sila ng sarili nilang album with their own music as well. O, di ba? Kaya naman, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.